Hello and welcome to Chic Spaces. Today we are here at Prestige Tranquil showcasing your brand new 3.5 BHK interior design. This home is a testament of true luxury living. The meticulous attention to detail transformed this space into a true sanctuary. Without wasting a second, let's dive into this home tour. As we enter, the foyer sets the tone for the entire home with a gorgeous TV unit, adorned with a luxurious metal ripple sheet. This striking feature not only adds a touch of glamour but also serves as a functional piece for entertainment. The intricate design of the metal ripple sheet creates a mesmerizing visual effect, making the foyer a grand entrance to this beautiful home. The partition not only adds a pop of color but also provides a sense of privacy while maintaining an open feel. The pooja unit with its minimalist design adds a spiritual touch without overpowering the decor. Now, let's move on to the master bedroom, a serene retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. The wardrobe in the master bedroom is accentuated with the use of cane laminates, adding texture and a unique design element to the space. This room features a glorious TV unit with a mix of laminate, wallpaper and pine wood, creating a stylish and functional focal point. Next, let's take a look at the kitchen. This beautiful space features a sleek acrylic cabinetry paired with a quartz countertop and backsplash. The combination of materials not only looks stunning, but is also highly durable and easy to maintain. The combination of materials and textures in this room creates a luxurious and inviting atmosphere, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. The first bedroom exudes luxury with its rich brown tones and marble laminates. The carefully chosen color palette and materials give this room a sophisticated and elegant feel, making it a perfect retreat. The plush bedding and tasteful decor enhances the sense of comfort and style, making this bedroom a luxurious haven. Lastly, we have the study room, a serene space with zen vibes, designed for productivity and relaxation. This room features a study unit and a library, making it a perfect spot for work, reading, or meditation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got a wow factor after watching this luxury. Through this video, I would also like to thank the homeowners of this house for showing utmost trust and patience throughout the process. Being away from the country and coordinating through WhatsApp was no easy job. I would also like to thank the entire team of Chic Spaces for delivering this masterpiece. My favorite part of this house is definitely the partition. Its placement and materials are bespoke. I would also recommend you guys to take another replay of this video to watch out the master bedroom, which stands out and is another feature of this house. Thank you for showing all the love. Please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.